The upward chop is a good core challenger, working on the core indirectly, which we like during pregnancy. You can perform this exercise kneeling on one knee or standing. It's a bit more challenging performing it kneeling because of the balance factor, so more core activation. If you're performing it kneeling, you can just place a pillow under your knee or fold the exercise mat for more comfort. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell with both hands and arms extended down to the same side as the knee you're standing on, twisting your torso slightly. Engage your core with diaphragmatic breathing. Think about hugging your baby from all sides with your core muscles, beginning at the bottom, in the pelvic floor muscles, and then engaging your abdominal muscles, both at the front and the sides. Then as you rotate your trunk, lift the dumbbell up diagonally so that your arms are extended above you and to the side. Then reverse the motion as you inhale again and bring the dumbbell down. You can keep the tension in your core throughout the whole set, breathing normally, or only through one repetition at a time. If you do that, then you must re-engage your core before initiating the next rep. Perform the exercise for the appropriate amount of times and then switch to the other side. Hope this helps!